Sunday morning drive. Welcome to my 106 GTI. Fun, fun, fun. Love driving this little car. Handles better than the 205, definitely. Sun shining after 2 continuous days of wind and rain. The sun is a very welcome sight indeed. It means I can get this car out. There's next to no salt left on the roads. Absolutely love driving this. It'd be a shame to see it go when I sell it, but must for another beast, another itch I've got to scratch, which is buying a 205 GTI. And the 205 XS for years, converted it, evolved through the years. 1360 with twin 40s to start with, then modified it again to eventually to a 1600 is a 106 GTI engine. It also had the 25J4 engine. Went really well, and then eventually I whacked a few set of ITBs on it, and it was just fun and games. About 160 horsepower, 157 I think it was, but loads and loads and loads of fun. I don't miss the car. It was time to let it go after almost 10 years of ownership, and dipped my toe into the 14 briefly with a ST150, and it's a great car, handled well, and probably one of the best handling cars I've driven, to be honest. But got halfway along the project and decided that I miss my Peugeots too much, so started the search for a 309. Ended up getting this, and yeah, 9 months, 22 days later, this was finished, and fantastic project. Wow, these roads are bumpy, and just had so much fun doing it. It was a great experience to build something, to restore something completely to its original state. So yeah, it's nice to be out this morning though. I don't want to spend driving through my home village. Happy days. We'll go back to my home address now. I'm a bit of a blast. Not carefully here. These engines were absolutely fantastic. Keeps it at 30. I don't know if you can hear the engine, but fourth, fifth. Wow. Such a fun thing. Stepping out from the my daily driver, the ST3, Focus ST3, to this, just worlds apart. The ST3 is a great car, handles well, goes well, but this thing is just crap on the road. Had to be somewhere, didn't there? But there we go, this time of year. Yeah, just thoroughly enjoying this. Let's slow down a little bit here. There we go. Get carried away with this. Final stretch, final loop back home. steering wheel. It's such a high ratio steering rack compared to this. And of course, when I had the 205, it had a quick track fitted on it, and that just transformed the car. One of the earliest modifications I did on it was put one of those on, and it was just fantastic. So when you got yourself into a bump off oversteer situation, you could catch it pretty quickly. The original steering rack, it was a bit of a task, but yeah, no, it was a great car. Happy days, road rally sort of tests, and all the rest of it. But this, I just love this. I'm going to make the most of it before I sell it. Yeah, so somebody somewhere is going to absolutely love this car. I mean, I do. The more I drive it, the more attached I'm getting to it. But you know, needs must for the next project. So here we go, back in the village to the crossroads. This afternoon for another spin. It's irresistible. Got to make up for the last couple of weekends. There's just been so much salt on the road, but today finally it's, all this rain is almost all the salt's away. There we go, turning in back to DRMotorsport HQ, and that was a great spin. Enjoyed that. Happy days. Turn it around, give it a jet over, and a chamois ready for another blast this afternoon. Not much space in this cul-de-sac, but it's nice and quiet. Right, thanks for watching. See you again soon.